at me now. Don't you love it? I came a long way. Now I'm above it. I finally say I'm on top of the world. I had me a dream. I never quit it. I had to believe, or I'd never see it. By golly, somehow I'm on top of the world. So high above, flying where only stars reach. Look up and you can't conceive how it could possibly be. I filled my cup. How lucky can one person be? Take a shot, roll the dice, wait and see what awaits. It's not up to the fates, just me, only me. Well, look at me now. Can you believe it? You thought I was down. It ain't a secret that somehow just pow, I'm on top of the world. And I ain't coming down from on top of the world. Above, flying where only stars reach. Look up and you can't conceive how this can possibly be. Oh, I filled my cup. How lucky can one person be? Take a shot, roll the dice, wait and see what awaits. It's not up to the fates, just me. Well, look at me now. Can you believe it? You thought I was down. Well, it ain't a secret that somehow just how I'm on top of the world. And I ain't coming down from on top of the world. Oh no! It's a marvelous life, filled with wonder and song. The moment you realize, you'll be happy that you sang along. An incredible ride, if you choose to hop on. And even when it gets bumpy, you'll be on top before long. Some folks may try to bring you down. Don't wear the frown that they're giving you. Soul can be as whole as the one you keep inside. There's a great big world to explore, waiting at your door, that runs far and wide. So jump on board, we're not far from shore. Don't keep it locked inside. Well, it's a marvelous life, filled with wonder and song. When you hear that music, well then you've got to dance along. Don't you wear that frown that they're giving you. Not every soul can be as whole as the one you keep inside. There's a great big world to explore, waiting at your door, that runs far and wide. So jump on board, we're not far from shore. Don't keep